Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your password on your account on Reddit, easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click settings, and now click here account settings, and here you'll find change password. Just click on it and change your password, and that's it. That's how to change password on your account on Reddit, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.